Spider plants are honestly one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants you can grow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to care for your spider plant so it thrives all year round. First, let's talk lighting. Place your spider plant somewhere with bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun can scorch the leaves, so keep it away from those harsh rays. Partial shade is also a good option if your room isn't super bright. When it comes to watering, I wait until the top inch of soil feels dry before grabbing my watering can. Always make sure the pot has drainage holes. That's key to avoiding waterlogged roots. Spider plants really enjoy temperatures between 18 and 24 degrees Celsius. They like moderate humidity, so if your home is on the dry side, just give the leaves a gentle misting now and then. During spring and summer, I feed my spider plant every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Repotting every 1 to 2 years keeps the soil fresh and gives the roots a little more room to spread out. Propagation is super simple. Just snip off one of those little spider plant babies, pop it in soil or water, and wait for roots to grow. If you notice brown leaf tips, try switching to filtered water and ease up on the fertilizer. Yellow leaves usually mean you're overwatering. Keep an eye out for pests like spider mites, and you'll have a happy, healthy spider plant in no time.